अऊदु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलाम अला अशरफिल अंबियाइ वल मुरसलीन सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमाइन बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तमम बिल खैर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam.
Is Satya joining Adnan or is it only you in today's class?
Only me, Sahibya.
Okay, where's Satya?
She's in school, Sahibya. She's in class.
Oh, she has class today.
Yeah.
Do you have a cold? You sound tired today.
Yes, Sahibya. I have cold.
You have cold, okay. So don't take cold things. Take only warm things, inshallah. You'll be good soon, inshallah. And do dua. So Adnan, how do you say this is my school? This is something we've seen earlier. How do we say this is my school?
Sahibya, I can't talk too much. My throat is paining.
Okay.
So.
Okay. So this is my school.
Okay.
Try this one.
Firstly.
This Hada firstly will be this is my class. So let's say you try this one, Adnan. Let's see if you remember what you did previous class, and I'll ask you less questions today, inshallah. What do you say for school? How do you say this is my madrasa? You say hatihi madrasati.
Okay.
Hatihi madrasati is this is my school. How do we say I am a new student? I am a new student is Ana Talibun Jadidun. Jadidun is new. Student is Talibun. Ana Talibun Jadidun is I am a new student. Okay, how do we say this is my school? Hatihi madrasati.
Madrasati.
Madrasatun is school. Madrasati is my school. I am a new student. Ana talibun jadidun.
Jadidun.
How do we say I am a hard-working student? Hard-working is mujtahidun.
Mujtahidun.
Mujtahidun is hard-working.
Okay.
How do we say I am a hard-working student?
Hard-working student.
We say I am a student, hard-working.
Okay.
We say Ana talibun mujtahidun.
Okay.
Ana talibun mujtahidun. I am a new student is Ana talibun jadidun.
Jadidun.
Very good. Hamid has 4 sons.
Coming will play one game.
You say Hamidun lahu arba'atu abna'in. So you say Hamid, he has 4 sons, or you can say Li Hamidun belongs to Hamid. Li Hamidin Salatatu abna'in. So you can either say Hamidun lahu arba'atu abna'in. Okay, Thalatatu is 3, here it's 4. So it's going to be arba'atu. Li Hamidun arba'atu abna'in, or Hamidun lahu arba'atu abna'in. How will we say Hamid has 5 sons? We'd say li Hamidin khamsatu abnain. Khamsa is 5. We'd say li Hamidin khamsatu abnain. How do we say I have 5 pens? How will we say I have 5 pens? How will we say I have?
Li.
I have is li. Li is belongs to me. Li khamsatu. Khamsatu is 5. Li khamsatu aqlamin. Li khamsatu aqlamin is I have 5 pens. Qalam is masculine. There's no ta marbuta. So the number has to be feminine. That's why we say li khamsatu aqlamin. Sons is again masculine. The rule for numbers 3 to 10 is you need to have opposite. So you'll say khamsatu feminine with abnain masculine. So you'll say for a masculine thing you'll use feminine number. For feminine thing you'll use masculine number. So li khamsatu aqlamin. The previous one. How do we say that then? Hamid has 4 sons. Let's say Hamidun lahu arba'atu abna'in. Hamidun lahu arba'atu abna'in. Or li Hamidun, you can shift the lam for Hamid. You can say li Hamidun arba'atu abna'in. I have 5 pens. Li khamsatu aqlamin. Or you can say indi. Or you can say ma'i, which is same, which is like li. Li is belongs to me. Indi is with me. Indi khamsatu aqlamin or li khamsatu aqlamin. I have 5 pens. How do we say in our country there are many masajid and schools and few hotels. So there are many masajids and schools and few hotels. Country is balad. Baladun is a country. Baladun is country.
Fi baladin. Fi baladna kya? Our country.
Fi baladina.
Balad. Okay.
Or baladina because of fi. Baladun will become baladin, fi baladin. And for now we'll have to take out 1 kasra. So it becomes fi baladina. Fi baladina.
Masjidun kasirun.
Masajidun kasirun. So you'd say fi baladina masajidun wa madarisun kathiratun. It has to be un. Masajidun wa madarisun kathiratun. Wa and few hotels. Hotel is funduk. Hotels is fanadiq. We will say fanadiqun. Say fanadiqun qalilatun. Qalilatun is few. Qalilatun. We will say fi baladina masajidun wa madarisun kathiratun wa fanadiqun qalilatun. How do we say I have 5 pens? You'd say Indi or Li khamsatu aqlamin. Indi khamsatu aqlamin. In our country, there are many masajids and schools and few hotels. Fi baladina masajidun wa madarisun kathiratun wa fanadiqu qalilatun. Okay, so I understood why it is U. So fi baladina, the plural of masjid is masajidu. It is on masajidun. So with this pattern, masajidu, madarisu, fanadiqu, the plural has only one U. So that's why it is U. This is a broken plural. It's not a regular plural. This is an irregular plural. So we have fi baladina masajidu wa madarisu kathiratun wa fanadiqu qalilatun. So this type of plural where you have masajidu, madarisu, fanadiqu, it does not take 2 vowels. It takes only 1. That's why you have masajidu, madarisu wa fanadiqu. Are these doctors? How do I say are these doctors?
हल हाउलाई तबी अत्तिबाउ.
Atibba'u, very good. So one male doctor is tabibun. Tabibun is male doctor. Female doctor is tabibatun. In most cases, the feminine will follow the regular plural. Whenever you have the ta marbuta, it will become atun. So what will be female plural doctors? Many female doctors would be like one female Muslim is muslimatun. Many female Muslims is muslimatun. Likewise, one female doctor is tabibatun. What will be female doctors? Plural. It will be
तबीबातुन.
tabibatun. So the female form follows the regular plural, but the masculine form does not. So the plural of tabibun is atibba'u. Atibba'u, this is again with only one u. It is not atibba'un, it is atibba'u. Are these doctors haula'i atibba'u or hal haula'i atibba'u? Hal haula'i atibba'u, are these doctors? How do we say no? They are teachers and senior scholars.
ला
La. They is
हिया.
no, here will be for non-human. Plural will be here. Human plural will be hum. La hum. Teacher is mudarris. Teachers plural follows the regular pattern. So we have Muslim, Muslimun, Muslimuna. teacher is mudarrisun. Plural teachers will be
Mudarrisuna.
mudarrisuna. La hum mudarrisuna and senior scholars.
Wo, hum,
Fahum ulama'u kibarun. Ulama'u is scholars. Senior is kibarun. So it will be la hum mudarrisuna wa ulama'u kibarun. Kabirun is singular, big. Plural for big is kibarun. La hum mudarrisuna wa ulama'u kibarun. Let's see, Adnan, if you remember this answer. How do you say these are doctors? How do you say are these doctors? You would say haula'i atibba'u.
هؤلاء اتفاق.
Haula'i atibba'u.
اتفاق.
How do we say this, Adnan? In our country, there are many masajids and schools and few hotels. In our country is fi baladina. Fi baladina. How do we say masajid? We say masajidu. Fi baladina. Masajidu wa madarisu kathiratun wa fanadiqu qalilatun. Fi baladina masajidu wa madarisu kathiratun wa fanadiqu qalilatun.
في بلدنا مساجد ومدارس
كثيرة
كثيرة وفنادق قليلة.
very good. في بلدنا مساجد ومدارس كثيرة وفنادق قليلة. Let's see if you remember this one. Are these doctors? هؤلاء أطباء. هؤلاء أطباء is are these doctors. هؤلاء أطباء. No, they are teachers and senior scholars. How do we say this, Adnan? No, they are teachers is easy. Senior scholars is new words which we saw today. Let us see you say, no, they are teachers. You would say la is no. La hum mudarrisuna wa ulama'u kibarun. La hum mudarrisuna wa ulama'u kibarun. Okay, so this is the lesson for today. Let's also revise the previous lesson. Let's see if you remember what we learned earlier. So this one is lesson 22 of Madina book 1. There are only 23 lessons. So with 22, we have done the most major part of Madina book 1 along with some lessons from other books. And lesson 21 is the previous lesson. Let us see, Adnan, if you remember this. This is my school. Same as what we saw. How do we say this is my madrasa? How do we say this is my school? You say hadihi madrasati. This is my school is hadihi madrasati.
هذه مدرستي.
Very good. How do we say it is close by from the masjid?
What Sahwa? I couldn't hear you.
It is close by from the masjid. The masjid is very close to it, or it is close by from the masjid. You'll say here is it because madrasatun, is it masculine or feminine? It is feminine. It is madrasatun with ta marbuta. So you'll use hadihi for this. For it, we will use she. She is here because this is feminine. So it is here.
Okay.
How do we say close?
Yeah.
Close by is qaribatun. Now how do we say it is close by?
It is close by.
It is close by is here qaribatun. Here qaribatun minal masjidi. Here qaribatun minal masjidi. It is close by from the masjid. Here qaribatun minal masjidi. Let us see if you remember this one, Adnan. How do you say this is my school?
Is
How do you say this?
Yeah.
Here is it. This is hadihi. They are close. They can be used for each other, but this will be hadihi. Hadihi madrasati. Yes, this is my school.
Okay.
Hadihi madrasati. How do we say it is close by from the masjid? Say here qaribatun minal masjidi.
Yeah, قريبة.
Yeah. Qaribatun minal masjidi. How do we say it is a big school or it is a school big? Because in Arabic the adjective comes later. How do we say it is a school big? You say here madrasatun
Kabiratun.
kabiratun. Here madrasatun kabiratun. It has 3 doors. What do we say? It has 3 doors. We say laha. Laha is to it belongs or it has. Laha. Ha is it. Because it has. You have to use the attached form. It has.
Laha salasatun abwabun.
Laha thalathatu abwabin. Say laha thalathatu abwabin. So say here madrasatun kabiratun. Laha thalathatu abwabin. So the pattern for 3 to 10 is this. We will have, I go back here. You will have khamsatu aqlamin. So this is khamsatu, it's not khamsatun, but it's khamsatu aqlamin. Aqlamin is, what is aqlamin, Zahan? Aqlamin, aqlam is plural of qalam. What is qalam? Qalam is pen. Aqlamun is pens. We have arba'atu abna'in. This is 4 sons. We have khamsatu abna'in, 5 sons. So we'll have this pattern. Khamsatu abna'in, arba'atu abna'in, khamsatu aqlamin. Here we have we have thalathatu abwabin. So we'll have this similar pattern for numbers. How do we say its doors are open now? How do we say its doors? Or her doors? Because madrasa is feminine. How do we say her doors are open now?
Abwabuha.
Very good. So you will say doors of her, which will be abwabuha. How do we say doors of him? For example, if there is a class, class will be faslun. Faslun is masculine. So however, if we are talking about doors of a classroom, how will we refer it? How will we refer to it? Faslun is class. How will we say door? How will we say doors of the class? Instead of abwabu ha is doors of her. How will we say doors of his?
Who, Sahib?
Very good. So we'll say abwabu hu. So ha will become hu. Abwabu hu. Or here it is doors of the school. So it is abwabu ha. How do we say open?
Maftuhatun.
Maftuhatun. How do we say
Alana.
now?
Alana.
Alana. Very good. So its doors are open now. Will be abwabuha maftuhatun al-ana. Abwabuha maftuhatun al-ana. Okay. Zahan or Adnan. Let's see who gives this answer correctly. How do we say it is close by from the masjid?
Yeah, qaribatun.
How do we say? Very good. How do we say from? How do you say I am from India? How do you say I am from India, Adnan?
Min huwa min al-Hind.
Huwa min al-Hindi is he is from India. How do you say I?
Sahib Chacha.
Yes, Zahan.
Hiya qaribatun min al-masjid.
Very good. Hiya qaribatun min al-masjidi. Hiya qaribatun min al-masjidi. I am from India will be Ana min al-Hindi. Ana is I. Huwa will be he. So if I say Huwa min al-Hindi, I would use it when I'm talking about Zahan or Adnan. I would say Huwa min al-Hindi. If I'm talking about myself, I will say Ana min al-Hindi. How do we say its doors or her doors are open now? How do we say her doors or doors of hers? Let's say abwabuha maftuhatun al-ana. Abwabuha maftuhatun al-ana. So abwabuha maftuhatun al-ana. How do we say this, Zahan and Adnan? Its doors are open now.
Abwabuha maftuhana al-ana.
Abwabuha al-ana is its doors now. How do we say open? Maftuhatun.
Maftuhatun. It would be abwabuha maftuhatan al-ana.
Maftuhatun.
Hatun al-ana.
So maftuhatun comes from fataha, which means to open. Comes from fataha. Does anyone remember an example of Fataha from the Quran? We have إِذَا جَاءَ نَصْرُ اللَّهِ وَالْفَتْحُ. إِذَا جَاءَ نَصْرُ اللَّهِ وَالْفَتْحُ. So there, Fath means opening or victory. So this is when Makkah was under Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This was after conquest of Makkah. وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا. And after the conquest of Makkah, you had mass acceptance of Islam from the people of Makkah. So this Allah Ta'ala says that when the help of Allah and victory comes, إِذَا جَاءَ. We've already seen what is Ja'a. In Qasasun Nabiyyin, what is Ja'a?
Came.
Came. So when comes to you the help of Allah and victory, Fathun, it also means opening. So here, Fataha means he opened. To be open, that okay, something is opened is Maftuhun. And another similar one is Kasara. What is Kasara? Kasara is he broke. Who can guess how do we say broken? For example, if we have the door is broken, it needs to be fixed. How will we say the door is broken? It will follow this pattern. You just need to use this pattern and replace the letters.
Maksurun.
Maksurun. Maksurun is broken. Maksurun is broken. Fataha is he opened. Maftuhun is in the state of being open or open. So if we say Al-Babu Maftuhun, it means the door is open. But if I say Al-Babu Maksurun, it means the door is broken. Maftuhun is open, Maksurun is broken. Its doors are open now. Abwabuha Maksurun al-ana. It will be Maksuratun. It will be Maftuhatun. Because Maftuhun is masculine. Abwab is feminine, is non-human plural. It will be feminine. So we'll say Abwabuha Maftuhatun al-ana. So that's where you get Maftuhatun. It comes from Fataha, which is he opened. What do we say in the school? Are classrooms many? You'd say fil madrasati. Classrooms is fusulun kathiratun. Fil madrasati fusulun kathiratun. Fil madrasati fusulun kathiratun. How do we say this again? Adnan and Zahan. Its doors are open now.
Al-abwabuha
Al-abwabuha. How do we say open? Open is maftuhatun. How do we say the full answer?
al-abwabuha maftuhan al-ana.
Very good. So there's one small mistake in al-abwabuha.
Al-abwabu.
No. Abwabuha is okay. So in al-abwabuha, you want to say doors of hers. That's what we want to say. So this is of the off pattern. If we want to say her pen, how will we say her pen? Or his pen? We'd say qalamuhu. Would be his pen. Or pen of his. So by this, what's the mistake here?
We should not have al.
Correct. You will not have al before of. Before of, you cannot have al. So it'll just be abwabuha. Because this is rule of before of, you will not have al. So you have to remove the al, it becomes abwabuha. Abwabuha will be correct. Al abwabuha will be wrong because before of, you cannot have al. So it should be abwabuha maftuhatun al-ana. Abwabuha maftuhatun al-ana. In the school are classrooms many. How do we translate this? It's a fil madrasati fusulun kathiratun. Fil madrasati fusulun kathiratun. In the school are classrooms many. Fil madrasati fusulun kathiratun. Okay. Now 2 questions. If you give the answers to them correctly, we will close. And we will continue tomorrow because today we are going fast. Because Adnan's voice is bad, we're not asking too many questions. So we have done quite a bit of ground. You need to revise this. 2 questions. If we get the correct answers, we will close for the day. How do we say this is our classroom? How do we say this is our classroom or this is classroom of ours?
Hiya faslina.
Here faslina. Let us have more answers. What do you think, Zahan, Adnan, Alilanti?
Ya faslun. Or
Here
haza
faslun. Here faslun will be, faslun is
Haza
class.
faslun. This class.
Sorry, Adnan.
Saqib, it will be haza faslina.
Okay, so Raila is writing, she's saying Hata faslina. How do we say this is a classroom? There's just one.
Fasluna.
Very good. So this has to be fasluna.
It should be haza huwa fasluna.
Okay, so you're giving me Google Translate answer. Hata hua fasluna will mean this is the classroom. You can add a hua in front. So just be like, look, this is the classroom I'm talking about. That will be hata hua fasluna. But we can also skip the hua. And hata fasluna will be okay. In what cases will it be faslina?
This is classroom of hers.
If there is any like li, min, man.
Correct. So there are 2 reasons why this can become faslina, why we can have kasra.
I school ka kar lete hain.
Or of construction.
Correct. So either you will have something like fi faslina in my class. So if you have something like fi in front, or if we have of, or if we have this after of. So for example, the class of the school of Muhammad. So if this is after of, we will have e. But here there's no reason to have E because this is our class. So it will be هذا فصلنا. Very good. So we have one correct answer. We need one more correct answer. هذا فصلنا is this is our classroom. How do we say it is a wide classroom? So you have to say it is a classroom wide.
Here,
Not be.
here.
It will be. This is masculine. Classroom is faslun. هذا فصلنا.
वो here, Saqib.
No, here is used for feminine.
It's masculine, is it?
Yes. Because here we use هذا. هذا is this. It or he is. It or he is هو. وهو
هو
and it. It's a classroom wide.
هو فصل
واسع.
Very good. وهو فصل واسع. وهو فصل واسع is it is a wide classroom. Okay, let's do one more question from what we saw earlier. How do we do this? How do we say it is a big school? It has 3 doors. We're talking about school here.
هو مدرسة كبيرة.
Very good. But who is used for masculine? Madrasatun is feminine.
Here.
هي مدرسة كبيرة.
Very good. Here madrasatun kabiratun. It is a big school. It has 3 doors.
الباب
له ثلاثة أبواب.
It will be laha thalatu abwabin.
لها
Laha
ثلاث
thalathatu abwabin. Okay. So with that we will stop. We covered quite a lot of ground today because we were going fast. Any questions? I'll take it after the class, after stopping recording. We will stop here. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Catch you all tomorrow at 12:30 inshallah.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
वालेकुम
जज़ाकल्लाह खैर मा.
Wa yakum. Ma salama.
جزاك الله
मा
خير.
सलामा.
अस्सलाम।